Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and safe at your home. Today we will see the poem The Naughty Boy. This poem is written by John Keats and given in class 4 English book Marigold. In this video, we will read the poem word by word, see its explanation in Hindi and English both, get to know about the poet, see word meanings and sentence formation. So let's get started. The Naughty Boy. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. In this poem, the poet John Keats describes about a naughty boy. He ran away to Scotland. Friends, Scotland is a part of the United Kingdom along with England, Wales and Northern Ireland. He wanted to see the development of the people there. He wanted to see the difference between England and Scotland. इस कविता के कवि जॉन कीट्स एक शरारती बच्चे के बारे में बताते हैं जो स्कॉटलैंड भाग जाता है। दोस्तों, स्कॉटलैंड इंग्लैंड, वेल्स और उत्तरी आयरलैंड के साथ यूनाइटेड किंगडम का एक हिस्सा है। वह लड़का स्कॉटलैंड में बसे लोगों की तरक्की और उनका रहन सहन देखना चाहता था। आइए देखते हैं उसने वहां क्या क्या देखा। Then he found that the ground was as hard, that a yard was as long, that a song was as merry. That boy found the same hard ground as in his place, that is in England, the same long yard, the same merry song there as melodious as in his place. उस लड़के ने देखा कि वहां का जो ग्राउंड था वो उतना ही हार्ड था जितना कि उसके इंग्लैंड में होता है। उसने देखा कि एक यार्ड की लंबाई भी उतनी ही है जितनी इंग्लैंड में होती है और वहां के गाने भी इंग्लैंड में गाए जाने वाले गानों की तरह मधुर हैं। That a cherry was as red, that lead was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. He also saw the same red cherry and same weighty lead as in his own country. He also found same fourscore that were still 80 and a same door which was as wooden as in England. उस लड़के ने देखा कि वहां की चेरी इंग्लैंड की चेरी की तरह ही गोल और लाल लाल थी। लेड का भार भी उतना ही भारी था। फोरस्कोर वहां भी 80 ही था और वहां के दरवाजे भी उसी तरह के थे जैसे कि इंग्लैंड में देखने को मिलते हैं। So he stood in his shoes and he wondered. He stood in his shoes and he wondered. Now these all things made him surprised. He started analyzing that the people and the things all around us are exactly the same, no matter where we go. He started wondering that how the things can be exactly the same, even if they are in the different countries. So he finally concluded that the people all around us are same everywhere in their behavior, in their nature. Even the mother nature is exactly the same all around us. And he was still wondering about it. ये सब चीजें देखकर वह दंग रह गया। उसने सोचा कि अलग अलग जगह में चीजें एक जैसी कैसे हो सकती हैं, लेकिन ये सब देखकर उसने जाना कि सभी चीजें एकदम एक जैसी ही है, चाहे वो इंग्लैंड में हो या स्कॉटलैंड में। उसने जाना कि हर जगह के लोग भी एक जैसे ही होते हैं। लोग ही नहीं, प्रकृति भी हमें अपने एक जैसे रूप को ही दिखाती है, चाहे हम कहीं भी चले जाएं। और वह लड़का यही सब सोचता रहा। Now let us know something about the poet John Keats. John Keats was born on 31st October 1795 in London. He was an English Romantic poet. He was one of the main figures of the second generation of Romantic poets. He published only 54 poems in 3 slim volumes and a few magazines. The urgency of his poetry has always appeared greater to his readers for his intense love of beauty and his tragically short life. He died at a very young age of 25 from tuberculosis on 23rd February 1821. Now let's see word meanings and form sentences. First word is naughty. Naughty means shararati in Hindi, meaning mischievous. Sentence: he was very naughty when he was a little boy. Next word is found. Found means pana, to discover. Sentence: I found a flower pot on the table. Next word is ground. Ground means maidan, the solid surface of the earth. Sentence: an alligator was sitting on the ground in the heat. Next word is merry. Merry means खुशनुमा, खुशी से भरा हुआ, cheerful and lively. Sentence: the kids were singing merry songs. Next word is cherry, जो कि एक प्रकार का फल है, a small dark red fruit. Sentence: cherry is my favorite fruit. Next word is weighty, means wajandar, having a great weight. Sentence: Rahul lifted a weighty volume from the shelf. Next word is wooden. Wooden means लकड़ी का बना हुआ, made up of wood. Sentence: the bird was sitting on a wooden box. Friends, now let us know some fun facts about Scotland. Scotland is a part of the United Kingdom along with England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Scotland includes over 700 islands. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh, while the largest city is Glasgow. The highest mountain in Scotland is Ben Nevis, which stands at a height of 1344 meters. Scotland has over 300 railway stations. Scottish drivers use the left-hand side of the road. In 1872, Scotland played England in the first international game of football, soccer. The result was a 0-0 draw. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about the new videos. Thank you for your love.